Pozdravljeni v tokratnem kulturnem raportu. Danes bomo prisluhnili koprski kantavtorici Zini Ban, katere glasba se giblje med folk, indie in country žanri. Njeno ustvarjanje zaznamujeta surovost in iskrenost, ki poslušalca povabita v njen intimen notranji svet. Prisluhnite koncertu, ki ga je vprizorila na letošnjem Kino Otoku.
I never pictured it like this. It was doomed right from the kiss. Oh, what was in the water, and why'd you even bother? All these years to make it seem sincere. Punishing with silence cowards' choice. I wish I could hear it in your voice. So tell me you're a liar, led by desire. Are you proud when my name's said out loud? Little boys playing dress up as men, bruise my heart and I'll pick up the pen. I once got broken, but now I just bend. Now I just bend. To myself I tell. You lightly caress it and then you press it, surprise when I shoot out. The pain has accumulated. I once again was baited. Bang, bang, baby, I'm down. Baby, I'm down. Hvala. Ta stage je malo nagnjen navzdol in se počutim, kot da bom padla. Moj YouTube kanal, Zine Ban, probably. Prosim. So fine, I wish that I could make you mine. Ooh. Won't you sit down? You know I love you, honey. You look so tired. I know it's hard how we're thrown into the slide, and one day we must die. But now the river will flow on, even after we're Take me with you now before I'm one. just ain't fair.
Hvala, to je bil en vesel cover in zdaj, da uravnotežimo nazaj svet, zaigrala enega žalostnega. Ta vlaga tle mi ne dela neke usluge, ne? Se imate dobro? So vam bili všeč filmi? Koliko? V bistvu sem si premislila, bom zaigrala en moj komad. Se kliče My Body.
Been working on my mobility. Some might say I'm wasting best years of fertility. But yoga seems to be good for my brain, and most men hurt me and tell me I'm insane. They say one day you'll make him a lovely home. I just laugh because the guy won't need a comb. I don't want him living in my house. I'm a black cat, he's a mouse. You say I shouldn't make that face. There'll be wrinkles all over the place. But I don't care, I will enjoy the sun when I'm older. I'll say I've had so much fun. You say your clothes don't fit you right. I'll stay quiet, won't start a fight. But your body's copy is mine. I think you're pretty, your clothes fit just fine.
Hvala lepa. Hvala, ne vidim, kdo to govori, ampak. Zdaj pa bom zaigrala še en moj komad, ki se kliče Queen of Hearts. In ja, ne vem, upam, da vam bo všeč. I did it again, painted it all blue. For you I would bend, how I've got no clue. I took some time to mend, have I been too late? Can't help but pick the stitches, put me back into my crate. Got too close to the flame, words always leave a mark. Showed my cards, the game is over. Lights are on, but it's so dark. I tear myself apart 100 times a day, bleeding hands and ruined carpets. That's why they never stay. If love is dead, why am I still breathing? Stupid thing on my sleeve, I hate to hear you bleeding. Is to be too hard to. I made the same mistake, played Queen of Hearts too soon. Play Queen of Hearts too soon. Hvala lepa. Juni je, Happy Pride. Zdaj pa še en cover enega izmed mojih najljubših komadov na svetu. In svetu in vesolju in vsemu, kar obstaja in ne obstaja. You should be stronger than me. You've been here 7 years longer than me.
Don't you know you're supposed to be the man? Not pale in comparison to who you think I am. You always wanna talk it through. I don't care. I always have to comfort you when I'm there. But that's what I need you to do. Stroke my hair, 'cause I've forgotten all of young love's joy. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me, but instead you're longer than frozen turkey. Why'd you always put me in control? All I need is for my man to live up to his role. You always wanna talk it through. I don't care. I always have to comfort you when I'm there. But that's what I need you to do. Stroke my hair, 'cause I've forgotten of young love's joy. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. He said the respect I made you earn. Thought you had so many lessons to learn. Well, I say you don't know what love is. Get a grip. Sounds as if you're reading from some other tired script. I'm not gonna meet your mother anytime. I just wanna grip your body over mine. Please tell me why you think that's a crime. 'Cause I've forgotten of young love's joy. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me. You should be stronger than me. You should be stronger than me. You should be stronger than me.
Hvala lepa. Stat na tem odru je malo leg workout, ki je nagli navzdol, se počutim, kot da sem cel čas na prstih. Ta naslednji komad se kliče Tiramisu in je tudi tak platonično ljubezenski, ker jaz pišem ljubezenske komade samo za moje prijatelje. Drive to her all night. She's soft on the eyes but knows how to fight. I learned that the hard way when we were just 16. Two stupid kids, both angry and weird.
formed a thick bond, 'cause a man with a beard didn't mind that we were too young to be touched that way. Diary entries and secrets to keep. Sturdy shoulders let each other weep. Let's split the tiramisu and just take a walk. They come and go when you stay near. Patterns and wounds our hearts don't fear. Love shines through piles of books and the cross-country ride. Although it took some time to deal with all the hurt, failed to conceal. Words cut deep and silence killed. The cycle's over. We're hard as steel.
Hvala lepa.
Rage is a quiet thing. Oh, you think that you've tamed it? It's just lying in wait. Rage, is it in our veins? Feel it in my face when I least expect it. I've given control. There's so many ways to give in. closed, another way to make it to 10. How to draw the line between wrath and mercy. Simmer, 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 simmer down. If I had seen my reflection as something more precious, he would have never. Oh, and if my child needed protection from a fucker like that man, I'd sooner gut him, 'cause nothing cuts like a mother. Control, there's so many ways to give in. Eyes closed, another way to make it to 10. How to draw the line between wrath and mercy. Simmer, 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 simmer down. Wrap yourself in petals. Wrap yourself in petals. Wrap yourself in petals for armor. Petals for armor. Given control, there's so many ways to give in. Eyes closed, another way to make it to 10. How to draw the line between wrath and mercy. Simmer, 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 simmer down.
Hvala. To je bil komad od Hayley Williams, zdaj pa enega mojega.
They cut out our tongues and sent us home, failed to break our backbones. I cut out your heart if I could find one there. Build up inside me, I've got anger to spare. Got tangled in the grapevine, heard all their lies. Sharpened my knife and I cut all my ties. Now I'll make the noise that much out loud. You better close your windows, 'cause I'll make it loud. Oh, you wish you could stay, old hunter, child prey, tainting the world in all shades of gray. They should have locked you away. Now I'll hunt, you'll pray each night that I don't know where you lay. Buried it quickly, laid us to rest. Lying children
fuck their protest. The apples stay right there close to the tree, swallowing innocence, pills for its plea. The devil's salvation, mother's affection, mistaken for endless protection. Now I use my voice, I will stand proud. You better close your windows, 'cause I'll make it loud. Oh, you wish you could stay, oh hunter, child prey, tainting the world in all shades of gray. They should have locked you away. Now I'll hunt you and pray each night that I don't know where you lay. I'm a hunter, I'm a hunter, I'm a hunter, I'm the hunter, I'm a hunter. Your prey, I'm a hunter, you will pay. I'm a hunter, oh, I'm a hunter, I'm a hunter, I hear you pray. I don't come your way. Hvala lepa. Zdaj pa zaigrala drugi komad, ki sem ga napisala. Ta komad smo tudi z Gabrom posneli na Sound Research, tako da če hoče kdo iti poslušati na YouTube, naj napiše Zina Sound Research. In boste slišali en zvok, ki smo ga researchali, I get up every morning and I get up just fine. It feels like I've forgotten an old friend of mine. She doesn't come around much. Last night I haven't slept. Been thinking about my pieces. How many have you kept? Do you still think about me when you don't know what to wear? Time's been kind to me, almost patched up every tear. Do you feel anything? Do you let it come up? Why are you so loud? Oh baby, please shut up. Raise your glass drink it up now, baby. Let's numb the pain. I still visit places. They're so different now, you know. Have you changed in the slightest? Ever since you grew tall, my thoughts, they used to scream. I got better at it though. My old friend is gone now. Sometimes I miss her show. Used to be so mean. Turns out I was just hurt. It takes a toll on you. Crawling through the dirt. Do you feel anything? Do you let it come up? Why are you so loud? Oh, please just shut the fuck up. Raise your glass to hide the now, baby, let's numb the pain. Do you ever think about someone other than yourself? Ever thought about maybe seeking professional help? Do you ever think, do you think at all? Do you ever think that maybe you've got a rotten soul? Hvala. Zdaj pa se bližamo počasi že koncu. Ja. Tako je. Kaj to je Boškin? Ta je za Boškina, ki mi je zadnjič rekel, da nisem dovolj izgovarjala besed. Tako da upam, da boš zdaj razumel besedilo. Ta komad se kliče Večna uganka in je prvi komad, ki sem ga napisala v slovenščini. Tako da upam, da boš všeč. Kaj? No, le da jih upam, da si očistil ušesa. Vrata se odprejo, se vrneš praznih rok. Naslikan si po stenah, mojega srca. Zastrupljaš me po venah, izpil si me do dna. Odmevajo mi kriki, in ko solze imam v očeh, zmedeš me z dotiki. Odpustim vsak tvoj greh. Nisem več oseba, trofeja brez moči. Tebi nič ni treba, ker tebe bolj boli. Zdaj sem ti neznanka, tvoja zvesta zanka. Okrog vratu je kot tatu. Vrata se zaprejo, že poznam ta zvok.
Hvala lepa. Zdaj si razumel besedilo? Boškin. Je šel domov? Fuck, ok. Smo prišli do zadnjega komada. Nisem vas hotela zadeprat s tem mojim zadnjim, tako da sem se odločila, da bom zaigrala en cover, ki je tako malo bolj ošter. In ja, to je eden onih komadov, ki jih čuješ in si ono, fuck. To bi mogel jaz napisati. Way back on the mountain in a deeply forest hill, my true love, we said I do, but nothing lasts forever in today's world, though it seems, and there's so much evil, and there's
a witch that lives on your back. Makes you feel like the night will attack. You got a witch that lives on your back. Now I feel like a heart attack. Ooh, heart attack. Well, one day, once the rain it started, no, it never stopped, no, it never stopped. I knew it just one glance that day me couldn't hold one more drop. I thought we would die together now with your hand in mine, your hand in mine. But you went back to Rosemary. You went up on the hillside, way back in the mountains where Rosemary waits for you. Yes, Rosemary waits for you. The mountains, I went up on the hillside, I went to Rosemary's where I'm feeling both of you. So I made me a garden, I dug it in the morning, and underneath the flower bush Rosemary waits for you. Yes, Rosemary, she waits for you. I killed the witch that lived on my back. No longer feel like the night will attack. I killed the witch that lived on my back. Now I feel like I can relax. Ooh, I can relax. Hvala lepa. Hvala Kino Otok, hvala Gabriele za povabilo, hvala Gaber za ozvočenje, hvala vsem vam, ki ste prišli. Jaz sem Zina in ostanite še na DJ-ju, džuskajte.
To je bilo za danes vse. Najlepša hvala za pozornost in lep pozdrav do prihodnjič.